Hi everyone, good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Mamta and Suresh, is this your first class today or you attended yesterday's demo?
This is first class, ma'am.
First class, right? Okay. Mamta,
Yeah.
for you as well? This is first class?
Yes, it is for me also first class.
Okay. Yeah, so like I think for last couple of days, I think last Sunday and then Monday and also Tuesday, 3 days, I had taken demo and today is the last day where I am taking this demo. Tomorrow onwards, the content will start. Thursday onwards, the batch is actually starting. So the kind of so what I will suggest you is after this call, you can go through Sunday's recording, which you will get a complete overview. But in this call, I will be giving you a brief about the content and other things, right? So before I go into the content, Debendra, I think you have attended yesterday's class, right? If you have any doubt, you can continue. I mean, you can stay, or else maybe if you can, if you want, you can drop. Because I want to repeat the same thing. So like
Okay.
if you are
I
not
didn't
bored.
attend yesterday's class, ma'am. I attended day before yesterday's class. I mean Monday's class.
Oh,
Monday
okay,
class I
okay.
attended.
Monday
So
class
it
you
is
attended,
same.
right? So the
Yeah.
same. So tomorrow onwards, please join. So we'll start with
Okay.
content. Thursday onwards, the
Mm.
batch is starting.
Sure.
Okay.
Chalega, yes.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. So yes, so I was talking about the content, but before that, let me introduce myself. This is Sasmitha. I will be your course instructor, and I have around 8 years of experience altogether into big data and data science. Currently, I'm working as a staff data scientist, um, and I hold a master's degree in computer science from Triple IT. I in my MTech, my specialization was machine learning. I have few research publication and teaching wise I'm into this for last 4 years, right? So this is my background. Coming to the course that I offer, so two basically we offer two courses. One is data science part 1 and data science part 2. So the course for which this demo is for data science part 1 course. So the part 1 and part 2, this is the part 1 course. So let me tell you the brief, right? In part 1 course, what you will learn, you will be basically learning who can enroll for part 1. Anybody who has an interest to come into data science can enroll. No prerequisites, no background is needed. Everything whatever is needed I will be covering in this course. Okay. So the part 1 course, it is uh, nothing but data science with machine learning. Okay, with machine learning and statistics. So majorly machine learning. And part 2 course is data science with deep learning, NLP and Spark. So these three things you will be learning in part 2, and this thing you will be learning in part 1. So part 1 will start from very basic, like we will be starting from Python installation. From that module we will start, and then followed by Python basics, right? Python basics. Having said that, Python is vast. I'm not going to cover the entire Python. I will just give you a brief about Python basic, like what is a variable, what is uh, like flow structures, like your loops, right? If, else, while, for loop. And then I will be discussing about list, tuples, set, dictionary, the data structure, followed by NumPy and pandas. So NumPy and pandas will be discussing in detail, and we have 4 to 5 assignments based on data structure and 2 to 3 assignments based on pandas and NumPy. So give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so the part 1 is basically Python basics followed by pandas. Pandas is the major module we'll be discussing very detail, and NumPy, right? So in pandas you will have 2 assignments. In NumPy you have 1 assignment. Python basic data structure you have 3 assignments. So total you are getting 6 assignments, right? So this completes your module 1. Module 2 is visualization. So visualization using Python again. So what we will cover is, in visualization I will be covering something called Plotly. The Plotly library I will be covering, right? So we will be covering visualization Plotly library. So this is step number 2. After that we will start with statistics. Statistics is the third step. In statistics we will go very detail, and then we will complete all the modules, followed by machine learning. So machine learning almost 5 to 6 algorithm in detail I will be covering everything, and word by word whatever is mentioned in the syllabus, everything we will cover. The machine learning we will go very detail about math, every detail, all the derivatives, everything we will be covering, followed by one small use case for each algorithm. For example, decision tree, random forest, loan prediction problem, we will be doing linear regression, sales prediction project we will be doing, PCA, fraud detection project we will be doing, right? We will be doing 6 to 7 use cases. Each use case is for one algorithm, and then there will be one major project where we will be implementing all the algorithm that we have learned, the final project, right? So this course is full of hands on, full of project practice, and this is my 45 number batch, so everything is very well organized. Everything you will get in one kind of place. So let me take you through the course content. So this is the course content. I already summarized, but you can go through detail, right? First is like your Python module. So all the Python details, how to install variable, function, lambda expression, and all that. This is not Python development course, so I'm not going to spend so much time on Python. Python, teaching you Python only, right? So the core fundamental Python, I'll be completing little fast, but from this module onwards, from NumPy onwards, it will be very detailed. NumPy, everything we will discuss. Pandas, everything we will discuss. Uh, and then module 3 is visualization, line plot, scatter plot, pair plot, histogram, almost like 10-15 plots. I will be discussing using Plotly, how to do it, how to create dashboards. Then project 1. Project 1 is a project. It's a combination of pandas and visualization. So you'll get assignment along with that. Every chapter you will get assignment. Along with that, you will get one major project for pandas and Plotly. Then next module is statistics. Statistics you can go through interquartile range, standard deviation, variance, right? Central limit theorem, G score, scatter plot, everything in detail we'll be discussing, followed by machine learning. So from here, the major like machine learning is one of the very important topic. So here I am not touching the surface. Here the goal is whatever we are covering, we will be covering in depth, and we will be covering all the things that is present. So the cost function, we will be deriving the cost function, optimization technique, gradient descent, the derivatives. I'll talk about linear algebra, and then regression algorithm, right? Complete math derivatives, everything in detail we will discuss. Okay, so this is your summary at high level. You can go through the content for detailed understanding. So I will pause here. Do you have any queries? I may be little fast, but as I said, this is my fourth demo. I already explained everything, so that's why I'm just like like if you have any query, I am here to answer. And the syllabus you can go through after this class. Yeah. Yes,
I'm
Suresh,
not
you're asking
seeing
something.
any. Yeah. I'm not seeing any screen share. I'm seeing some white, whiteboard.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I was so many things, and oh, okay, my screen was not shared. I have written so many things here.
I thought
All this, so
I
you are
thought this
not
is a,
able to see all of this.
yeah. I thought this is a,
Oh, I forgot to share
this might be right.
my.
Okay, fine.
Okay. I was sharing, I was writing, and I explained everything, but okay, sorry, I forgot to share my screen. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the part 1 course, and after you take this course, this is 1.5 month. Okay, the duration is 1.5 month. Every day classes there, Monday to Friday, 1 hour every day. We will connect 8:30 p.m. IST. Once you complete this part 1, you can go for part 2. So this is part 1 course that I was showing, but I think the screen was not shared. So you can go through this, right? This is the content of part 1, Python, pandas, numpy, word by word, whatever is written, we will be completing everything. At the end of the session, you can compare. Uh, and like we have 45 plus students in data science if you combine both of our batches, right? So definitely quality is good. Otherwise, in this competitive world, without like like you can understand 45 students itself is a kind of continuous batch we are running for last 1 year. In Durgasoft only I have completed more than 10 batches, right? So this one second, where is that? So this is the advanced content. In advanced is part 2 basically. Once you complete machine learning, you can go for part 2, or you know already machine learning and Python, then you can directly enroll for part 2. In part 2 you will be understanding about deep learning, and then your PyTorch, what is deep learning, and then PyTorch, followed by your image processing, OpenCV, time series, right? So many content are there, like artificial neural ANN, followed by CNN, and then project 1, that is fuel prediction. Project 2 is X-ray image classification, right? That is your COVID X-ray classification. So like whether you have pneumonia or not, that the model will tell you looking at your X-ray. So that is your project, second project, RNN LSTM. So all of these things you will be understanding in module 2, or sorry, not module 2, part 2, which is again 1.5 months to 2 months. So altogether, it's a 3.5 months kind of course. So I will suggest you take part by part and give yourself enough time to practice all the assignments that has been given. If you take parallelly, you will be lost. So first complete one part and then go for the another part, so that you will able to complete all the assignments. Okay. So sentiment
So,
analysis will
so
be, yeah.
yeah. So is this part one? I mean, part one course?
This is part 2 course. Part 2 is not ML. Part 2 is deep learning, NLP, and Spark. Part 1 is this. Part 1 is for everyone who doesn't know anything about data science. So in part 1, we'll be discussing about outlier detection, we'll be discussing about missing value treatment, we'll be discussing about statistics, machine learning, right?
Yeah.
What is the life cycle of data science? So this is the part 1 course. This is part 1. That is part 2.
So are we covering part one course? I mean, right now in this in this training?
Yes, yes, 8:30 p.m. If you join from here, we will start tomorrow onwards.
Yeah, sure.
Python fundamental. From here, we are starting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, no problem. Mamta, do you have any doubt? I will suggest you join the live class tomorrow, so you will get a kind of like you join, not join, but at least you will understand Python, right? So no harm in joining and learning. So tomorrow onwards, you can join 8:30 p.m. IST. We will start with the content. I think the link I
Sure.
think will be the same link, or I don't know, maybe the same link. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Mamta, do you have any query?
No.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So let us connect. Let us connect tomorrow 8:30 p.m. Not 8. The class timing is at 8:30. Right. Let us connect tomorrow 8:30 and start with the content. Okay. Okay. Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you.